How to change currency on MEXC application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily change your currency if you ever want to view your balances and trades in a different currency using MEXC application. First of all, launch open the MEXC app on your device like you normally would and then log into your account. Once you're inside the homepage of MEXC, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top left corner from the homepage. Now you will come across this page where you need to click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Currency. Now choose a different currency from the menu, scroll down from the currency option and select the currency that you want to change to. And once you do that, you'll be able to change your currency right away in the MEXC platform. Your balances and trading screens will now display in the selected currency. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.